Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add money to your Revolut by bank transfer. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the best method to add money to your Revolut account by your bank transfer is by simply opening your Revolut app. Once you open it, you need to simply tap on the add money option on the home screen and then simply select bank transfer. So once you have selected that, you can simply select the currency you want to top up, like your USD, Euro, or anything else. And then you can simply view your local bank details. Revolut will show local account details and depending on your country, and these are your unique Revolut account details. So once you have done this, open your traditional banking app and transfer the money. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and updating videos like this.